If you are someone that is posting a video 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, getting to a month and that video is not getting view, here you come close. This video here is for you. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can go and rearrange, to edit everything about your video that's stopping going viral. Or you are someone that your video start going viral from the first time that you post the video, small time the thing just stop. Come close, let me show you this secret. And if you are someone maybe say, okay, whenever you post your channel is not growing, whenever you post you go see say other the view when you dey see no go pass 10 view, 20 view, and the thing no gree to grow up. If you don't share tire, come close, let me show you this secret. And if all these things that I talk is what you like to learn on my channel today, just kindly consider by subscribing to this channel. Do well by subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because whenever I drop a new video you can be notified, so that you can learn more what you know. On this channel I teach how to grow a YouTube channel, and we must grow together. I have like 2-3 channels that I've already monetized. Still yet we want to start this one together with my own audience and with my own subscriber. If you can see my previous channel, I tell my subscriber to come up here so that we can still start growing together. So if me that I'm teaching you is growing, you too can growing. So let me show you how you can edit those videos that are not going viral on your channel, those videos that are get poor performance on your channel. If nothing cause it, maybe the video is okay. Wetin can cause all those things is either from your title, description, or whatever tags you put. On this video I'm going to show you the right tag, where you can find the right tag that you can tag your video that can make the video to go viral. And I will show you the right title that you can, why you can get the right title to your video to make the video go viral. Because people looking up to something on YouTube every blessed day, people are searching for something. If your own title is not married with what they are searching, you could never get the view. And if your title married to what they are searching, you will get the view. You can see on the description there are something you're supposed to attach. Maybe you make a mistake without knowing. Although I know some video will go viral with luckily, some video will go viral luckily by YouTube, only if maybe you that is posting, you don't even know the video that is going to go viral, because you don't know the one that is the right things, but is a guest. And but today I want to teach you, say you will not be a guest again. At least do your own part and leave the rest for YouTube. If YouTube did not recommend your video, that video will not do well. So what will make YouTube to recommend your video is by you giving the right title, giving the right description, put the right tag, and other things that you're supposed to be involved. There are some things you must do. Not like that, because everything have rule and regulation. So to post a video on YouTube channel, you have a rules and regulation. So you must follow the rule. And if you don't know how to follow the rule, I have some way that I'm going to show you inside this video. A simple way, that something that can help you out, how to title your video, how to description on it, and they will edit it for you. You save it direct to your YouTube channel. So guys, like I told you earlier, if it is what you like to know and you wanted me to be showing you on this channel, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell, so that you will be notified when more update is coming. Like all you guys know, we do well, we must do well. YouTube is for everybody, whether you agree or not. YouTube is for everybody. That your channel that is frustrate you so long time, here is the solution to it. I'm going to take you to my screen when I will teach you from A to Z, from 1 down to the everything you need to know, how you can edit those videos, where you can take that video to, where you can see everything to. So I will not waste much of your time here. Let me take you to my screen when I will show you all these things. Here we go. So guys, we are here. First of all, what you are going to do, you have to go to Google Play. You are going to open your Google Play like this. Wait for the Google Play to open. Then you are going to search VDQ, VIDIQ. You are going to search for it. I'm going to search for VDQ, VIDIQ. like as what, let me type it here so that you can see it. And see VIDIQ. You can see, then you search for it. You can see the second one, that VDQ for YouTube. You are going to, I have already downloaded my own, so we are going to open the app now because it's downloading already. So we are going to click on open. Wait for it to open. I want us to follow everything gradually so that we will not miss anything there. We don't need to miss anything. When it opens, you are going to register it with your Google account that you link to your YouTube. See, my own has already logged in, so that is why it opened direct. So you can look up to this thing now. You can see many things inside. Optimize recently video, how I copy my YouTube, that is my video. View your daily idea. They give you idea every day. You are going to put for optimize down there under that plus side there. I'm going to click on it. So it's the one that we are going to use in winning on YouTube. You can see you have many features which they can going to help you on your channel without no any issues. This is the only 3 video I have on this channel. This is the only 3 video I have at was this time. So this one that I'm making it for, but it's not showing here. So let's go for one video. Let's see either how to edit some video here. Let's see. Let me click this number 2 video. Stop closing public uploading. You can see now. So the title of this video is how I copy YouTuber to grow my channel. Let's see the suggested one that the app give us is I copy every YouTuber to grow my channel. You can see, but I'm okay with this my own. You can see if you want to check whether your thumbnail is attractive, you can click on thumbnail. And if you want to see and I want to see the detail of the video, you can click on the video. If you want to see the tag you put, you can click on the CEO. You can click on the CEO. So that there are somewhere checklist. You see this the thumbnail here. If it is okay, they will let you know so the thumbnail is okay. You can see the detail, see the tags, and they will give you the recommended tag that YouTube will use to recommend your video. You can see under here recommended tags. You can see them. So you can see the detail, the description, see how the edit be. You can't get it 100%, but at least try your own. Actionable items, you can see them. Tag count, you can see them. Tag value, you can see, and keyword in this, you can see keyword in description. You will see all these things are very, very important for you to know. If you don't know all this one, you never know. You can see checklist. That checklist, you can see tag length, you can see it's marked green. Description marked green. Tag is marked green. Everything here is marked green. You have to follow all this to the rule and put everything in order. You can see you must add one tag to your title to make it be searchable, and you can add one tag to your description. Link must be in your description. That link must be, it can be either link to your WhatsApp group or link to your other video link, so that people can come there and watch the video too. We will put hashtag on the video, and you can even make sure say you make the video at public. But before you come here to edit everything, then schedule your video or put it in private before you come here to edit everything to get this result. As you get this result, and this thing can mark green off for you like this without no any red sign, nothing will stop that video not to go viral. It must stay for a week, it must stay for 1 month not to go viral, but it will still pick up because you have put the right thing that you're supposed to put already. Leave the rest for YouTube to decide whether they promote the video or they will not. And I promise you, they will promote by recommending the video to the right audience that will watch it. So guys, you can see it all, and I have shown you all. I believe you learn a lot of things. Maybe you don't know this before, know it now. And now that you know it, what is the value things that you're going to do, and how will you be recommended on this channel? Kindly consider subscribe, turn the notification bell like the video and comment where you are watching the video from. If you are not watching the video to the end, sorry for you. And if you watch the video to the end, make sure say you do not forward the video, watch everything about it. I would like to see you on my next video by tomorrow, so that we will continue learning every day and we grow together and we'll get monetized together. Bye.